Good morning and welcome to another video by MDR Cars. Today we've got the lovely Mercedes E240 2.6 V6. It's a 2002 52 model. It's the E240 Classic, finished in the lovely metallic black. Very clean early alloy wheels. They actually make the car look really good, nice and retro. Now, this car has covered just 44,000 miles. Last owner's had it for quite a while. Came into us as a part exchange. Very nice condition. No signs of any rust. Wheels are excellent, tyres are really good. If you see, even look at the arch there, there's not even any bubbling. Very clean. Very nice condition. Some couple of minor scratches on it. A scuff on the sill, but it's not very noticeable. As always with black, it probably wants a polish, but it's very clean. Yeah, we'll have a look at this one. Very good condition. No corrosion that I can see anyway. Couple of marks, but again, nice clean arch. Now I'll just start with the boot. It's got the rear parking sensors, which do work. Very nice spacious boot there. Nice and clean. Under here, got the toolkit. If we look under here, we've got the spare space saver wheel. Looks like it's been replaced but not been used. Very clean interior. And we've got to remember now, this is a 19-year-old car. It's got the fitted mats. Very nice. No stains, no damage. Runs like a gem. Very clean driver's seat. Again, very minimal sign of wear. We'll just have a step inside. It's on just 44,446. So the multifunctional leather steering wheel. It's obviously the 5-speed auto model. Radio CD. Fantastic sound system. The aircon with the dual climate control, which I believe was an extra. Got the cruise control with the limiter function. It's got the full trip. The beauty of this V6 engine, got the auto lights there as well. Electric windows, electric mirrors, nice wooden dash on the trim. Sounds really good. But the beauty of this V6 is it just wafts along, very comfortable, very smooth. Sets it apart from the diesels. Got the genuine Mercedes Benz mats. Again, very good condition. Just put that back in. Got the full book pack in there. We have a stamped service book. I've listed a lot of the details, but we've got Mercedes Benz History up to I think 2012, which is in the last folder here. Then we've got some more invoices there, servicing up to 2020. And in here we've got the repair work that the vehicle's had, because as I've stated in the advert, it is a category S, which is a shame. It was only just done, recently happened, but it's very minor damage. I've got the receipt for all It was done by the previous owner. They told me it was on this front bumper area here. As you can see, the light's been replaced. Zoom out. The bumper has been replaced in the grille and the radiator behind the bumper because it went into a tow bar. But it's very minor. None of the other panels have been damaged. Very, very clean car. Great modern classic. If you're into the Mercedes, it's a fantastic option. Very low mileage. It'll only appreciate. These are our details. Please phone, email, WhatsApp us. More information. It's Mercedes E240 2.6 V6. Thanks for watching.